I am back with two guys on the bowling team. Yeah. So tell me, what's your names?
My name is Seth Maggard.
Bryce Sheets.
Okay, so tell me, like for 8th graders who are looking to bowl and when they come into high school, tell me a little bit about what that's like.
It's definitely a fun environment. I was welcomed into the team really well. I have had previous experiment with the coach, and it felt like a really fun place to come after school, and we do really well. We compete a lot, and it's just an all-around fun place to be.
Mm-hmm. So where do you guys practice?
It's on the Brunswick Zone Watauga on Roof Snow. So
that's awesome. So how often do you guys have competitions?
We have competition every Tuesday, and we practice every Monday from 4:20 to 5:30.
Awesome. So what's your guys' favorite thing about bowling?
I would say the competition. We all know each other in the league, and then getting to compete against everyone is so much fun.
So what is the atmosphere like? Are you guys all friends?
Yes, we're all really good friends. We all talk a lot. We see each other during school, and it's really fun. Also, when we're practicing, there's no sweat or anything. It's just laid back and everything.
That's awesome. Okay, everybody, join the bowling team.